if you are like us who keep on thinking कि यार किस्मत हमारी
खुटी हुई है
फूटी हुई है, कितनी खराब है, you have to watch this movie. That he goes to Olympic and there's a terrorist attack there.
Correct.
I was like how much should I count, like कितने problems हैं इसकी life में.
Hello everyone, my name is Deblina Ray.
My name is Abhishek Singh.
Welcome back to a very fresh episode of Weekends with Us. So this weekend we happened to watch the newly released movie Chandu Champion. एक चंदू नहीं, चैंपियन हूँ मैं.
चंदू नहीं, चैंपियन है मैं.
I feel really bad for anybody whose name is Chandu.
चंदू, सही बात
Because
है.
उसका तो मतलब ऐसे ही बन गया कि वो लूजर है. है ना?
Absolutely. Making sure that your kid is a butt of jokes. Name him Chandu.
Okay,
Yeah.
but this is absolutely a movie which needs to be seen and heard by everybody. This is a true story
Yeah.
for India's first Paralympic gold medalist,
Right.
Mr. Murlikant Petkar, and the role of the protagonist has been played by Kartik Aaryan.
Yeah.
This is in theaters near you, and you should definitely be watching this movie in the theaters.
Another good sports movie. Yet another
After Maidan.
after Maidan, and we also watched Mahi. Like, I mean, not good as a
Haan.
movie, but sports as a concept.
Yeah.
So I mean, I think Bollywood is
Mahi
doing.
was not really a sports per se. Like, we were actually craving for it to be more sports.
Yeah, I know, but at least Janhvi Kapoor did.
Haan, at least.
At least Janhvi Kapoor did well.
I think this is the sports era.
It
these
is a
days.
sports era. So you are getting a lot of good, good sports movies where people are actually pushing themselves to look like they can, do these physically demanding sports.
Roles.
Right? I mean, so Ghumar, Maidan, Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, now
Yeah.
this one, right? So a lot of sports movie coming in and really happy about it.
Yeah. And we are loving the fact that, first of all, we are loving the fact that Kabir Khan has actually moved away from the era of Salman Khan and the Ek Tha
Right.
Tiger series.
Yeah, absolutely.
And very happy also about the fact that somebody like Kartik Aaryan, not somebody like, more like an outsider, is actually getting such opportunities, is being
Yeah.
chosen for these kind of roles despite the Karan Johar fiasco.
Yeah.
And really appreciating him for the effort that he has put in.
Right.
It actually looks very convincing.
Yeah. He has done a great job. I mean, like, finally, I was so happy to see him move away from the lover boy, Lucha
Lavajkal types.
Lafanga types role. I mean, like, he has moved away from it for a very, very serious role, and he 100% delivers on it. Like, his acting, we have found a little, on the decent size to cringe side in
Yeah.
other movies. Here, he has delivered it really well. And just talking about Tiger, do you think the Tiger reference was for that purpose? Now I just think about it.
Oh yeah,
Bada Tiger, Chota Tiger.
Chota Tiger.
Okay.
I think Kabir Khan can't really go away with Salman Khan and Tiger.
Yeah, I just thought, I'm like, हाँ, Tiger तो सुना था movie में. But yeah, so could be. There's a reference in the movie.
Yeah.
Right.
I think after having watched the movie and now when we go back to watching the trailer, I think we can kind of safely say that although
Yeah.
we feel during watching the trailer that it is giving away a lot,
Yes.
but it does not really give
It
away
is
a
not
lot.
really.
It definitely does not talk about, okay, we are going to be speaking about spoilers as
Yeah.
well. It does not definitely speak about the life of a Paralympic
Yeah.
person as well, and the
Exactly.
journey which led him to be a paralyzed or a crippled person because
Yeah.
of a certain incident,
Right.
and how that person's journey then becomes a heroic one.
Yeah.
Something which has not been heard and seen, and now it truly deserves to be heard and seen as well.
Right. Exactly. I mean, like, if you are like us who keep on thinking कि यार किस्मत हमारी
खुटी हुई है.
फूटी हुई है, कितनी खराब है. Like, whatever we do, something or the other thing happens, you have to watch this movie. You will realize that there are people who have it worse than you. Like, we'll talk about it later in detail, but you watch this movie, you're like, oh, and once it hits you, right, that it's a real story.
Person.
It is not a fictional story. Then you're like, oh my god, how unlucky is this guy? So anyway, yeah.
Okay, we will be
We'll be
speaking
talking
about
about
it.
it, yeah.
I think from the movie format per se, the best thing was that there were no फालतू का songs, no
Absolutely.
फालतू romance, romantic
Yeah.
angles that were shown. एक एंगल था उसमें जहाँ पे सर थोड़ा भटक जाता है.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I think no फालतू के songs as well.
Right.
There was one particular song which very much gave the vibe of that galti se mistake kind of a
Yeah.
vibe. It was there.
Right.
But apart from that, nothing like that.
Exactly, I was so happy for that. You know, the not having any unnecessary distractions, romance, ladki ka chakkar, nothing like that for the movie, right? So, yeah.
And the good part was Karthik's journey, as in the role that Kartik Aaryan is playing. उसका जर्नी भी दिखाया गया है in terms of the physical transition as well.
Yes.
Like how that person starts as a little thulthule kind of a person,
Right.
and then the person, because of the series of events
Yeah,
that
yeah,
keep on
yeah.
happening, also because of the serious ambition or the goal that this person has, that he wants to be an Olympics winner,
Yeah.
and not just any bronze or any silver, but a gold medalist.
Right.
I mean, the transition is shown in the physical attributes also of that person. And even there were certain very subtle, cinematography, like certain movie shots that were there, which are like very subtle in messaging.
Okay.
For example, when Mr. Petkar actually goes for playing outside, I think it was the Tokyo or the
Tokyo.
one
Yes.
match, right?
Right.
And वहाँ पे भटक जाते हैं because
Yeah.
journalists दिख जाते हैं
Right.
वहाँ पे. And then it is shown that as and how he's losing his focus because of the girl.
Yeah.
The girl
Yeah,
is
okay.
not really losing her focus because her
Right.
focus is on the winner, because she's a journalist.
Right.
So for her, everything is about the person who is winning the game at that point in time.
Right.
So it was a very cinematic shot actually,
Yeah.
and there were not enough words. Nothing actually. It was just a cinematic shot where
Very
it is
good.
shown that the person is now pointing at the focus should be on this winner
Right,
when
right.
Kartik Aaryan actually loses the match.
Yeah.
So couple of those subtle shots were there which we really loved it.
Right, absolutely.
I think there are a lot of messaging in this movie
Messaging is
which
there.
we
A
can
lot of it.
definitely derive, and I think
Yeah.
such movies are meant to draw inspirations from.
Yeah.
I think the number one is people are going to laugh at you.
Yeah.
No matter at what age or stage of your life you are, and specifically if you are trying to do something different,
Yeah.
people are definitely going to laugh at you. But the best way to deal with it is, हंसता काय को है?
हंसता काय को है?
Right.
And I'm-
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it tells the story of a village. So from village to small towns, we are from small towns, from our own childhood. So if you dare do anything beyond normal, like doing a government job or private or being a doctor, you are going to be laughed at.
Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा एक्टर बनोगे, अच्छा क्रिकेटर बनोगे, अच्छा ओलंपिक ले आओगे,
अरे यूट्यूबर बनोगे.
content creator बनोगे. So anyway, so you are going to be laughed at in any of those situations.
Yeah. People will also laugh at you, I think, behind your back, and especially at the times when you're at your worst. But I feel like, they will also be the ones who will like to be party to your celebration once you have reached a
Proven.
certain goal, once you have
Yeah.
become a winner.
Right.
That time उनको सब चीज का मतलब part बनना है उस
Yeah,
time पे,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And this also goes to your own parents.
It does.
This is a subtle messaging over here also, where because he gets crippled because of the 1965 war with Pakistan.
Yeah.
He has 9 bullets, 1 bullet still being stuck to his spine,
Yeah.
right? I think it was spine only, and
Yeah.
it is still stuck at his current age also.
Right.
But then जो भी है, उस time पे financial conditions के वजह से हो या फिर जो भी वजह से हो, right? His own family denies taking care of him,
Yeah.
and the father is never shown to be supportive of his Olympics
Yeah.
dream.
So that is something what I don't know if I was supposed to like it or dislike it. I don't know.
Yeah.
But the father maintains his character throughout the movie. He
Yeah.
doesn't say anything at all. Right? In the beginning
बस
also.
last में बस खुश होता है.
Last में खुश होता है, but
हाँ.
he doesn't really say anything.
Correct.
Maybe I'm proud of you. Basically in this story, I think it starts in the village. It shows the village setting, and how this person gets an aspiration. Sees a medalist, someone who has arrived in the village on a train station, looks at him and like, yeah, मेरे को ऐसा बनना है. I want to win the Olympic gold medal. And being the situation they are in, very poor village, very poor family, they don't support him initially. And that is where he takes off, goes to join the army, where an army is supportive of people who want to get into sports. So he goes there, and that is where his journey really starts. And the plot is like moving at a very good pace. Like it's not like stagnating at any point in time.
It wasn't.
It keeps on going. You're like, हाँ ठीक है, कुछ चल रहा है at all times, right? So that was also good.
Yeah, and the good part about the pace of the movie was also that
Yeah.
matlab first half mein there was a certain motion to it. Beyond a certain point we felt that because we knew that that person is
Yeah.
crippled even at
Right.
the current age, which is
Yes.
his old age, right? And then we were like, agar pata hi hai, then what is the comeback story
Yeah,
for this?
yeah.
Because we always fight for that comeback moments, right?
Right.
And we were like, what is it going to happen now in the second half when we anyways
Yeah.
just know that this person is crippled, and what he does not really win the gold medal, or what is he like
Yeah.
only be, I mean, is his journey only going to be till the silver medal that
Because-
he ends up winning?
Because most of the movies do this, where if you have a spinal injury, you somehow recover out of it.
Yeah.
Real life is not like that, okay? You don't always recover out of a spinal injury. In fact, if you have watched Dark Knight series, Batman breaks his back but somehow is back. There was a movie by Diljit Dosanjh where he was playing a hockey player, I think.
Yeah.
And there's a bull. He
Surma.
Surma. He gets shot in the back, in the spine, and he also is paralyzed for a while, but he recovers later. So we were hoping for maybe he's going to recover, because we did not know that it's a real story, honestly.
Yeah.
So we got to know it later, but so that was to us a surprise in terms of what actually happens in the later part of the movie.
Yeah, and that is the surprising part, because that is exactly the part which is not at all shown in the trailer.
Yeah.
So which is why we were very much surprised, and we were very happy to watch that second half of the movie, because we were like, अब क्या ही दिखाएंगे यार,
हाँ,
मतलब
हाँ.
first half में ही सब पता चल गया जो भी था, but
Right.
it was a good surprise.
Yeah.
Another important lesson is never stop dreaming. Despite all odds, physical, mental,
Yeah.
whatever it is, I think never stop dreaming, and because ultimately जब dreams achieve होते हैं, right, उसमें बहुत ही अच्छा सुकून मिलता है.
Right.
So here also we see that this person, Mr. Petkar, is so determined towards his goal that despite all odds,
All odds.
and oh my god, the number of odds this person has faced.
Right.
Initially, he started as a boxer.
Yeah.
Then
It starts from his childhood itself. He is born in a very, very poor family.
correct.
That itself is
a fight.
the biggest hurdle you have to come out of in India. Okay, the being in a poor family.
Yeah,
So,
like
yeah.
you can start poor, but ending up poor is also very much in your hands.
Exactly. So he is born poor. He is not supported by his family in his dreams, and even when he finds a way to express himself, even then he gets into fight with some other village, and he has to
Yeah.
leave his family behind.
Leave his
So even his family is gone from the picture. Nobody is there even to feed him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, of course, then speaking about the sports pieces,
Yeah.
he starts off learning
Bo-
boxing.
boxing, huh.
Then he injures himself, like he paralyzes himself in the war.
Right.
Then he trains himself in swimming.
Yeah.
Things which are not shown in the movie, I see is I read about him is that he has also trained himself in table tennis, javelin throw. These
Yeah.
are the sports
Wow.
that he has even participated in the Olympics, it
Amazing,
seems.
man. Amazing.
Like he won ultimately in the swimming event,
Yeah.
but he also participated in the various other sports.
Yeah, really
I
good.
mean, hats off to this person.
Yeah.
So many things to draw inspiration from.
Yeah.
So
and even we skip certain things, like for example, even in Tokyo, he almost wins a medal,
Yeah.
but he doesn't in the last round. See, I mean, the movie says he got distracted. Maybe we have to just give it an element of doubt that the person was better, the rival
Yeah.
was better. I mean, of course, in India we always try to blame ourselves कि यार हमारा ध्यान भटक गया था यार, we are always in that self doubt mode कि यार गलती हमारे में है. Maybe the person in front of him was better, so he doesn't get a medal there.
Yeah.
Then when he gets a letter from another
Asian Games.
that is when the attack happens.
Yeah.
And then that is when he's shot 9 times.
9 times.
Then he gets paralyzed. Then his family leaves him,
Yeah.
doesn't agree to take him. Then
Man,
then
that was such a heartbreaking moment.
after that he goes to Olympic, and there's a terrorist fucking attack there.
Correct.
I was like, how much should I count? Like, कितने problems हैं इसकी life में? So, I mean, yeah. So, hats off to him. Like, I think life was not kind to him, and great that
I don't know
whatever
how he
recognition he's got. Yeah, but
How
yes.
he did, but
Yeah.
coming. I mean, in continuation to this only, I think you need that one person,
Yeah,
in
right.
that one particular person in your life,
Yeah.
and if that is in your family, friend, sibling, you are very lucky.
Right.
But it is usually a very random person out of nowhere that person comes in.
Right.
I think it's no more a surprise that it is usually those unknown people who ends up supporting you, the social media friends that you end up making, who ends up cheering the loudest for you, and not really your relatives per se.
Right.
Here also it is the coach played by Vijay
Vijay
Raj. He is also fabulous in his role,
He's always
and
good.
he brings that quirkiness in him, that serious quirkiness, that serious humor.
Right.
You understand the oxymoron in this? Like he's like exactly that.
Like with a poker face, he'll just
Yeah.
say something and you'll be like, oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, this movie is also hilarious in certain points.
Yes.
Okay, like people were actually laughing. This person was laughing. He does not like Bollywood
Yeah.
movies, and he was actually enjoying certain
It
comedy
is a little
scenes.
sweet kind of comedy, you know, the kind of comedy you actually see in your life. That is what I enjoy the
Relatable.
most.
Relatable.
It has to be relatable. It like Panchayat, for example, right? I mean, those are the kind of humor I like. Not like
Gudgudi wali hasi nahi.
Prabhas doing this in Kalki trailer. No, not that kind of comedy.
Oh my. Another important lesson that is very much portrayed here is your luck could be, but you still have to keep on fighting for it. Here the person is all about bad luck. I think we have established that.
Yeah.
We are also very much about bad luck.
Right.
So it doesn't matter. I think, there are few set of people who have to continuously keep on putting
Yes.
the hard work.
Right.
And with 100% hard work and 0% luck, your recognition could very much be delayed. And that is what we even see here in this movie as well.
Yes.
His recognition was very much delayed. Like the age at which he was actually fighting for Arjuna Award
Yeah.
was even not for his own sacrifices, was because at least his town or the village that he's representing would at least get some amount of development, right?
Yeah.
But probably by the end of your dying age के time पे probably तुम्हारी luck तब थोड़ी सी अच्छी अगर हो जाए, then maybe you end up getting something you were truly deserving to throughout your life probably, and that is when he gets awarded the Padma Shri award as well.
And the villain in this story about him not getting award is Data.
Data.
The data entry, which is in files, which is like rotting in libraries. People don't even get to know that this guy did so much back in the day. I mean, it's attributed to people not knowing about him, and it's sad because can you imagine like so many people hearing over the radio, his own coach, his own colleagues from military who might have known about it, and it's all forgotten because it's not documented properly.
Yeah, and in the movie it is mentioned that it is just उसी साल का data नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
if that is actually the truth, कितनी फूटी किस्मत है सर की that this also happened.
Right.
The first Paralympics gold medalist from India, and
the data is not
the
there.
data is just not
People
there.
don't know about it, for some reason, and it's fucking crazy, because like you keep on seeing these movies over and over again. You saw this with Maidan, you saw this with this movie. कि यार मतलब अपना country कितना गरीब था एक point पे. People like this country did not have enough money to send players to these prestigious events to show their talent.
हालात ऐसे कि ये देश टिक भी पाएगा कि नहीं.
They do not have money to give them shoes, proper kit. यार एक टाइम वैसा हुआ करता था. तो जो आप लोग बोलते हो ना कि यार इंडिया इंडिया कितना अच्छा हुआ करता था पहले, you have to really question yourself कि was it good? I mean, like people who question development.
We were badly looted, guys. I mean,
exactly.
And in every movie, I don't know now it is hyped or it is actually factual. In every sports movie, we see that there is no basic amenities which
It is factual. It is factual. I mean, because my father used to tell about this. That people did not used to have shoes to even go for events. So this is actually factual. So when anybody talks about development, and your answer is ki, well, what about the people who are not getting food? Like you have to look at these movies that what are you losing out by not having enough development, not having enough money for these kind of things. Money is needed for all kind of things, be it to fill stomachs or at times to also develop your nation in other areas, right? So anyway, I mean another controversial topic someday. Yeah.
I think we actually loved the entire movie.
Yeah.
There were a couple of misses. If we really have to pinpoint
like
and
nitpick.
If we really have to do that, I think the transition of younger Karthik to the adult Karthik.
editing mistake.
There were two shots. I think there were creative differences. मेरा भी आइडिया अच्छा है, मेरा भी आइडिया अच्छा है.
वो साइनोसॉइडल
साइनोसॉइडल
वेव हो गया था. छोटे से बड़ा हुआ, फिर छोटा हुआ, फिर बड़ा हुआ. 2 बार हुआ एक्चुअली.
One when he was doing the push-up.
And then the holy scene.
Yeah, होली
Like the colors of flying.
मटका
हाँ sorry हाँ actually मटका फोड़ने वाला.
हाँ जन्माष्टमी
जन्माष्टमी sorry हाँ yeah.
So उसमें भी like again छोटा हुआ बड़ा हुआ छोटा हुआ बड़ा हुआ actually.
Right हाँ.
Also, one more miss or like more so like थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा exaggerate कर सकते थे was the point when Vijay Raj actually Vijay Raj and Kartik Aaryan, both of them are in the battlefield.
Okay.
And it is shown that Vijay Raj is actually wanting water because
he's injured.
He's also injured. But that time Kartik Aaryan also gets goalies. He's also
shot like multiple times.
But then he somehow reaches to a water bottle and then it is shown, like kind of shown that he's throwing the water bottle.
Yeah, it's implied but not like shown explicitly. I don't know, somewhere it got lost in the editing because the next time Vijay comes, the coach comes, it's very much like several years ahead.
Yeah, like 2-3 years after the person just comes in and we were like, were we supposed to feel sad for him because he's no more?
Right.
Or
exactly.
But there has to be like some emotional transition that was, I think as an audience we were hoping for.
Yeah, I think something got missed in the editing because even his friend doesn't get a really good
closure.
I mean, he dies. It's shown that he died, but didn't really stay on the matter. Okay, that the one and only friend is dead.
Yeah.
So that
even if it is after 2 years because he is in coma, but then at least he is remembering him.
Yeah, exactly.
I think there has to be a better closure for both the parties actually, even for Vijay and also for this. Although for Vijay it was not really a closure, but at least उसके दिमाग में तो चलना चाहिए, right? कि क्या हुआ उनके साथ.
Absolutely.
For that matter, I think these are the only two things that we have.
I have one. I just have one, and it is a little controversial, okay? But I have because there is a big thing that happens which we talked about initially, that he actually reaches the Olympics, okay? And it is the infamous 1972 Olympics.
Yeah.
The Munich incident, like if you don't know, there was actually a terror attack. All right, so there was terror attack and there was one team which was held hostage. Then the police and the commandos tried to storm in, they tried to negotiate with the terrorists, but eventually they tried to rescue and like a lot of people died. Like I think almost 11-12 people died out of that, the team. And the team was Israeli team, okay? And because the problem I had was that movie doesn't even say it once that it's Israeli team. It's like the political climate today, it's so hot and people are so scared to come out and say a spade that the movie really skips over it. It's not like it's going to affect the movie. Okay, let me make it very clear. It by not naming which team got killed or who were the people, it's not like the movie gets affected. But I was a little bothered by it. It was a big incident, and the thing is, it's like, oh, so this big thing happened, and he went to Olympics and then there was terror attack, he fell down a stair, he hurt his head and then the venue was, but who died? Someone died. अरे well बोलो ना यार, इजरायली मरे उसमें, like what is there to shy away about? It was Palestinian terrorists who attacked and Israeli people who died. It is completely fine. Like nations can assume different role during the course of history. At that point in time, it was a terror attack which is supposed to be condemned. You are supposed to say ki, yeah, because it was a sporting event. Yeah. Those guys were not soldiers who were killed. Those guys were players who came there to play. They were killed by terrorists, and it's supposed to be called out. All right, whatever is happening today between Israel and Palestine, whichever side you are on, you cannot debate that what happened then was wrong. So killing people when they are not in active combat area, like those were not soldiers who were killed then. Those are not soldiers who were killed on October 7th in a music festival, for example. You are supposed to condemn all kind of violence. People are like taking sides कि अगर हम गाजा के साइड पे हैं तो इस साइड का हम लोग कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं, और अगर उस साइड पे हैं तो जो गाजा में हो रहा है that is completely fine. No, both the things are wrong. You have to call it the way it is. So that is the only thing which bothered me a little, but again, it doesn't affect the movie really.
Yeah. I think people can also choose to not talk about it. See, then there are people who are actually speaking about that another movie that is now banned also from getting released, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there are people who are actually choosing to speak about it, but then उनके freedom of speech का तो एकदम
Exactly, हाँ, मतलब it's like it's selective. I mean, आप ये बोलो तो freedom of speech है, ये बोलो तो नहीं है, वैसा हो गया आजकल. तो I think the movie also chose to not get political and skip over it. So,
yeah, maybe they just wanted to just
avoid any
focus
controversy.
on like what is more important, and it was his journey, so
Yeah.
that was focused more.
Yeah.
And I think because it's a factual movie, any which ways everybody gets to know about
Yes.
it. But you're right, actually.
Right.
I mean, more so because it is a historic event,
Yeah.
and everybody knows what has happened or what not has happened. But
Absolutely.
yeah. So that brings us to the end of this conversation. Do let us know how do you feel about this, and stay tuned for the very next episode. Thank you so much. Bye bye.